has issued a tornado warning for north central EAS County in north central Texas, northwestern Parker County in north central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gordon, or 21 miles north of Stephenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, cool around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mineral Wells and Mineral Wells State Park around 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Millsap. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 366 and 399. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The current time is